Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a big question. Can the Starlink Mini actually deliver the speed and low latency you need to play a game properly on an Xbox console? We're talking both regular online multiplayer and Xbox cloud gaming. Let's go find out. First up, unboxing and setting up this ultra portable Starlink Mini. This thing is impressively compact. It's about the size of a laptop. It's roughly 12 inches by 10 inches by 1.5 inches, and it weighs just around 2.5 pounds. It has built-in Wi-Fi 5, dual band 3x3 MIMO, covers up to about 1,200 square feet, supports up to 128 devices, and draws only 25 to 40 watts on average. It is IP67 rated. It handles wind over 60 miles per hour, and it even has a snow melt capability. Starlink rates typical download speeds on roam plans in the 65 to 260 megabits per second range, with latency often in the 20 to 60 millisecond ballpark. So these internet speeds and latency should be plenty for streaming and gaming on paper. Moving to the physical setup, this was pretty straightforward. The only real hiccup, we couldn't plug the power brick in where we wanted, so we had to run an extension cord. Other than that, it was smooth sailing. Everything is handled through the Starlink app. You point the dish for a clear view of the sky, connect, and you're good to go. We set our Wi-Fi SSID to Trictus, which is our channel name. Once the Starlink Mini was online, it automatically activated the service plan we selected when ordering the hardware. For now, we're on the 100 gigabit roam plan at $55 per month. We ran a speed test right away in the Starlink app, and the results looked promising. I also ran a few other tests through Ookla. I'll put those up on the screen. And it says the Mini is supposedly capable of 4K video streaming, rock solid video calls, and online gaming that feels just like regular terrestrial internet, not internet beaming down from space. But that said, does it actually hold up for Xbox gaming? It's time to put that to the test. Now, a quick pause before we jump in. If you're enjoying this video so far, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. And since we recently joined the YouTube Partner Program, you can now hype our videos too. Hype is a free feature where viewers get a few hypes per week to boost videos from smaller and mid-sized channels onto the Discovery leaderboard. It's a really big deal for channels like ours because it can put the video in front of a lot more people. All you have to do is look under the video for the hype button. It usually appears after you like it. It takes 2 seconds and it means a ton to us. Thanks in advance. Alright, so back to the test. Here's our Starlink Mini sitting outside. Now watch me walk all the way over to the Xbox Series S. It's about 40 feet away. That means the console has to connect purely over Wi-Fi. There's no hardwired Ethernet option for this setup. Next, we connect the Xbox to the Trictus network. We confirm that we've got solid internet and load up Rainbow Six Siege. We chose Siege because it's a highly competitive shooter, so it demands very low latency and any lag that shows up immediately as stutters or delayed reactions. This game is installed on the Xbox hard drive, so we're testing pure multiplayer performance over Starlink. And the results? Quite impressive. In-game ping times stayed nice and low. It genuinely felt responsive, like we were on a regular home broadband instead of satellite. We really have zero complaints here for installed games running multiplayer. Okay, but what about streaming games through Xbox Cloud Gaming? That's our next test. For that, we fired up Fortnite via the cloud. Now, we will admit for the first few minutes, this game performed flawlessly. Smooth streaming, solid frame rate, good resolution, but then things got spotty. We started hitting major stutters, frame rate drops, and big dips in resolution. For this particular cloud gaming scenario, I don't think we're quite there yet. The problem could be Starlink's performance, it could be on the Xbox cloud gaming side of things, or most likely, it's a combination of both. There are probably plenty of less demanding games that would stream just fine over Starlink and Xbox Cloud, but for competitive online shooters or anything that needs rock solid low latency, I wouldn't count on it as a consistently great experience yet. So overall, Starlink Mini nails the setup, it delivers solid everyday speeds, and handles traditional installed multiplayer games on Xbox surprisingly well. However, cloud gaming is still a work in progress for those more intense titles. So that's the test, guys. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, smash that like button and the hype button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop any questions or if you have your own Starlink gaming experiences, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.